Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If your Vivaldi Browser bookmarks bar looks crowded with long bookmark names, you can easily make it clean and minimal by showing only the bookmark icons and hiding the text. In this video, I will show you how to display bookmarks icons only in Vivaldi Browser and remove the text from the bookmarks bar. So let's get started. First, open Vivaldi Browser on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Now, if the bookmarks bar is not visible, press Ctrl plus Shift plus B on your keyboard to quickly show or hide it. Once the bookmarks bar appears below the address bar, you will see your saved bookmarks showing both icons and text. To hide the text and keep only the icon, first right click on the bookmark and then choose here edit option. Now remove or erase the bookmark name and click the save button. That's it. Now you will notice that only website icon, also known as favicon, is visible on the bookmarks bar. You need to repeat the same steps for other bookmarks if you want to show icons only. If you ever want to restore the text, simply right click the bookmark again, choose edit, type the name back into the name field and save the changes. This simple trick makes your Vivaldi browser look much cleaner, more organized, and give you extra space for more bookmarks. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.